Court directs concubine wife to pay rupees 70 lakh to legal wife under tort law. Martyred corpse honored on Police Commemoration Day. And polling underway for by-elections to 4 Assam Assembly constituencies. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with you. Now let's have the news in details. In a landmark judgment, Civil Judge Senior Division Imphal East directs concubine wife to pay rupees 70 lakh to legal wife under tort law. The court directs a monetary compensation of rupees 10 lakh as special damages done to legal wife continuing intentional tort causing loss of consortium, nervous shock and also for causing mental distress to the wife. Rupees 10 lakh again as special damages for wife continuing intentional tort resulting in the lowering of reputation as a wife of a broken family in the eyes of right-thinking and prudent members of the society. Also rupees 50 lakh as punitive or exemplary damages for wife continuing intentional tort to settled family. The case began after legal wife named Dr. Ranjita Achom, 41, wife of Dr. Konsam Shamsundar, 40, of Wangkai Yonglal Layrak, has prayed the court for giving judgment on committing intentional tort by concubine wife named Yambem Pune, 33, establishing illicit marital relationship with Dr. Konsam Shamsundar, lawful husband of complainant, thereby causing a loss of consortium. Lawful wife has also prayed for passing a permanent injunction order, thereby from giving residents of Yambem Pune at Kambam village or elsewhere any warm reception, welcome, hospitality, companionship, friendship and personal service to her husband. The present case is one of the unique cases, particularly in the state of Manipur, in the sense that it is a suit filed by a legally married wife against the concubine of her husband claiming a handsome amount at the tune of rupees 10 crore as damages against concubine coupled with a decree of permanent injunction against the concubine for committing intentional torts for causing loss of consortium and mental agony. Police Commemoration Day was observed at the Memorial Complex of 1st Manipur Rifles Campus, Imphal today by paying tribute to the martyrs. The event was attended by DGP of Manipur Police LM Khaute and other top officials of Manipur Police. As part of the program, a gun salute was offered to the martyrs. Speaking at the function, DGP LM Khaute said that being police means making sacrifices, adding that we must not forget the police personnel who had laid down life for the cause of the motherland. Khaute asserted that their courage must be always remembered.
The day is observed all over the country in memory of the supreme sacrifices made by the police officers and men throughout the country. Year after year, and it's a solemn occasion for us. That's why we have organized Sok Parade and also placed floral wreaths on the Martyrs Memorial. I hope and pray for the souls of those martyrs who have laid down their precious lives for the country.
In Jiribam district, observing the Commemoration Day, homage was paid to the 3 police martyrs of Jiribam who had made supreme sacrifice in the line of duty. Floral tribute was paid to the photographs of Yumnam Budhi Singh, Ngangom Amuyaima Singh and Thangjam Birjit Singh on the occasion. Top police officials, representatives of civil society organizations and local leaders were present during the program. Superintendent of Police Jiribam District Mubi Moirangthem encouraged the spirit of the district police personnel while lauding the supreme sacrifice made by the martyred corps. Gifts were presented to the family members of the martyrs at the event. Polling for the by-elections to the 4 Assam Assembly constituencies, Rangapara, Sonari, Rattabari and Jania, began at 7 a.m. on Monday. Voting will end at 5 p.m. The by-election will decide the fate of 20 contestants by 6,78,898 voters, including 3,27,803 female and 1/3 gender. The Election Commission has set up 830 polling stations, 202 in Rattabari, 229 in Jania, 197 in Rangapara and 202 in Sonari. The by-polls were necessitated with 2 sitting BJP MLAs and leaders, Palap Lochan Das, Rangapara, and Tapan Gogoi, Sonari, Deputy Speaker Kripanath Mala, Rattabari, and Congress MLA Abdul Khalek, Jania, elected to the Lok Sabha. Polling officials with EVMs and VVPATs moved to the 830 polling stations across the 4 constituencies yesterday. Assam Chief Electoral Officer Mukesh Sahu appealed to all the voters to exercise their franchise to strengthen the spirit of democracy. Assam government has declared today as public holiday under the Negotiable Instruments NI Act in the 4 constituencies to facilitate voting. Results of the by-election will be announced on Thursday. Campaigning for the by-polls, which ended on Saturday, witnessed all state party leaders campaigning in all the 4 constituencies. Let's take a short commercial break now, but coming up next, Education Minister Radheshyam launches comic textbook in Environmental Studies for Class 3 students.
nupi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯊꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ.
Welcome back. For the first time in the history of Manipur, a comic textbook in environmental studies for students of class 3 was launched by Educational Minister T.H. Radheshyam today at the conference hall of Samagra Shiksha located at Babupara, Imphal West. Commissioner Education T. Ranjit and Education Director T.H. Kiran Kumar attended the event. Speaking at the function, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam stated the main target of introducing the comic textbooks in the curriculum for primary classes is to arouse the students' interest of learning, since the age group, that is class 3, is more inclined towards learning through cartoon and comics. He also said that to replace boredom, the Education Department came up with a new innovative method to attract the students' interest of learning. The minister also appealed to every teacher in the state to come up with new innovative ideas of teaching and to implement the same in different ways for better results.
Textbook se si India ki mafam amata tawdri akoina ahan bane sak thong se sab manaw material se pira kanda akoina thomaga aiga saksang na thomaga adum khena ne ba kaino kana moi di tongan tongan mong na haw na bhai na moi khalle ba atopa method apply to ba akoina taw na aduna oja oiriba education department le official le koi se we have to learn to do the same thing in a different way, same thing in a different way. Comic sikra main tawgen na malo adu pai dringa da moina hiram level duga same content same standard tura amuk madu comic tu tamhala yeng ma kana improvement laga di si impact si phai hai ga dam na madu iduma khitang honest and sincere na tawiro hai bese magai appeal tawge.
The 30-member team of Friendly Environment Warriors (FEW) Jiribam, who took part in Shiroi Festival at Ukhrul on October 17, returned to Jiribam. President of FEW, K. Puna, appreciated the Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Chief Advisor of FEW, K. Sarat Kumar Singh, Deputy Commissioner Jiribam, Mayang Langbam Rajkumar Singh, Jiribam Superintendent of Police M. Mubi Singh, Additional Superintendent of Police A.K. Sadananda Singh, PESCH and Kamei Village for extending help to FEW. Polling began at 7 a.m. today in 90 assembly constituencies in Haryana and will continue till 6 p.m. 1,169 candidates, including 105 women of various political outfits, are contesting the election. Prominent figures include CM Manohar Lal Khattar, former CM Bhupinder Singh Hooda, JJP's Dushyant Chautala and INLD's Abhay Singh Chautala. Haryana's lone woman minister Kavita Jain was among the early voters who cast her vote in Sonipat. The BJP, led by MLA Khattar, has set a target of winning 75 seats, while the Congress is hoping to make a comeback following a change in the guard in the state. Tight security arrangements have been made and over 75,000 security personnel have been mobilized for the polls. All the state police forces of the northeastern states are observing Police Commemoration Day today. Police Commemoration Day is observed on October 21 every year to mark the martyrdom of policemen killed in Ladakh in 1959 and to pay tribute to all other police personnel killed on duty during the year. On this day in 1959, 20 Indian soldiers were attacked by the Chinese troops in Ladakh, during which 10 were killed and 7 were imprisoned, and others managed to escape. Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju joined the nation in paying tributes to those martyrs today. He paid glowing tributes to those martyred on this day in the year 1959 and all those who laid down their lives in the line of duty. Early morning today, Rijiju joined other leaders in paying tributes at the memorial in the national capital. And now let's take another short break. Stay tuned.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lerak Machin, natraga, aikoigi phone number 6909126615, natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati.
Welcome back. India and Pakistan have blamed each other for shelling across the line of control, the de facto border that divides the disputed region of Kashmir, according to media reports. The nuclear-armed neighbors have already fought 2 wars and a limited conflict over Kashmir. But this year, tensions between the rivals sharply intensified. In February, India launched airstrikes against militants in Pakistani territory in response to a suicide attack in Kashmir, which killed 40 Indian soldiers. The Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed JEM group said it had carried out that attack. In August, India stripped the part of Kashmir it administers of its partial autonomy, sparking sharp criticism from Pakistan. Since then, Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan has been lobbying for international support against the move, which he has described as illegal. Delhi and Islamabad both claim Kashmir in full but control only parts of it. Pakistan says India targeted the homes of civilians across the border. A major escalation in hostilities on the border this year also threatens a ceasefire that was agreed in 2003. The latest round of shelling occurred on yesterday in the border villages of Titwal and Tangdar in Kashmir's Kupwara district, but both sides provided differing accounts of what happened. Now we have the sports news. Season 6 of the Indian Super League begins with a lot of excitement, as it is now the top division league of the country, and the league stage table toppers will get a spot in the AFC Champions League playoffs. Northeast United FC have been handed a tough start to the season with the opening game against defending champions Bengaluru FC. It is the same team that vanquished them in the playoffs at a time when many believed they had done enough and could go far. Coach Robert Jarni, however, is confident of a winning start at the Sri Kantirava Stadium in Bengaluru today. Former world number 1 Andy Murray, who claimed his first singles titles at the European Open since undergoing hip surgery in January, described it as one of the biggest wins of his career. Murray on Sunday defeated Switzerland's Stan Wawrinka 3-6, 3-4, 6-4, and immediately after that burst into tears. The 2019 Australian Open appeared to be his last, as he had revealed his retirement plans due to a troublesome hip problem. However, he underwent hip surfacing surgery following the Grand Slam on January 28. On Sunday, the three-time Grand Slam champion needed 2 hours and 27 minutes to achieve what seemed to be the impossible, especially after his hard-fought wins over Marius Copil of Romania and Francis Hugo Humbert in the quarterfinals and semifinals. Now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Nagas strongly opposed to forced union, says Tuku. Ahead of final pact by month end. All parties meet scheduled on October 22nd. Palel More Road ban comes into force. Suspected NSCNK cadres attack Assam Rifles camp. The People's Chronicle. Ruling MLAs dissect Rabi's deadline on Naga talks. Assam Rifle base attacked. 2 civilians injured. Act East ambition faces poor rail link roadblock. MPSC Guvav hits hard, demoralizes honest officers. Guild terms Saddle Tribe demand necessary rectification. Imphal Free Press. Government of India backtracking from framework agreement, says NSCN-IM. Live-in woman partner to pay ₹70 lakhs to legal wife under tort law. Indigenous ornamental fishes face severe lack of breeding centers. Meiteis are one of Naga tribes, says Haumi Research Guild. The Morning Bell. Ruling MLAs declare stand to protect state integrity after RN Rabi October 31st deadline jolt. Yadipo councillor abducted on eve of chairperson election. Whereabouts unknown. Health Minister distributes 20,000 citronella saplings to farmers of 4 districts. More police seize contraband drug worth around ₹19 crore. India destroys terror launch pads in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Manipur Mail. Manipur police recover brown sugar worth ₹19 crores. Typhoon Hagibis. Death toll rises to 80 in Japan. Army chief claims of destroying camps. Car bomb in Afghanistan's Wardak province kills 3 cops.
Before we end the bulletin, the headlines once again. Court directs concubine wife to pay rupees 70 lakh to legal wife under tort law. Martyred corpse honored on Police Commemoration Day. And polling underway for by-elections to 4 Assam Assembly constituencies. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.